The WINGBO 72-inch DC ceiling fan features a sleek, minimalist design that fits seamlessly into both casual and sophisticated spaces. Its 5 solid wood blades not only enhance the fan's aesthetic appeal but also ensure efficient and quiet air circulation. With 6 adjustable speeds and a reversible motor, this fan is perfect for keeping you cool in summer and warm in winter. The energy-efficient DC motor of this ceiling fan offers significant cost savings without compromising performance. Its 72-inch blade span makes it ideal for large spaces such as outdoor patios and workshops, and it is suitable for damp environments. Included are 3 different downrods, allowing for flexibility in installation across various ceiling heights.